This tutorial shows you how to create a quiz using the content tool in the classic experience. If you have the new content experience enabled, the quiz creation process will be consistent across both experiences. From the content tool, select the module where you want the quiz to be created. To create and manage modules, select Upload Create, then New Quiz. Next, fill in the quiz details, including the name of the quiz and the grade value. Be sure to choose Add to Gradebook to create an item in the Gradebook. For practice quizzes or performative quizzes, select Not in Gradebook. Add a due date, if applicable, and add a description. For additional quiz configurations, use the drop-down menus on the right side of the quiz creation page. To create a new quiz question, select Create New, then New Question on the quiz creation page. Select the question type. Fill out the question details. Note that written response question types require manual grading. To create another question, select Save and New, or select Save to return to the quiz creation page. To upload a file containing questions to your quiz from your personal device, click Add Existing, Upload a File. Click Browse Files or drag the file into the Upload a File window. Then click Import All. To organize your questions into sections, click Create New and choose Section. Enter a section title and optionally, section text. Select the checkboxes if you want to hide the section title and text from learners or shuffle the questions in the section. Finally, click Save or Save and New to continue creating sections. To move questions to a section, select their checkboxes and click Move to Section, then select the desired section. You can also select Browse Question Library to reuse questions from previous quizzes in your course. Select the checkboxes for the questions you want to add to your quiz, then click Import, or click the arrow beside the import to choose whether to place the questions at the top or bottom of the quiz. If your quiz includes sections, select the checkboxes for the questions you want to add, then click Import to Section. Select the section where you want the questions to be placed. You can assign 0 points to a quiz question to collect non-graded information such as feedback or personal input. To edit a question's value, click on the question. As another option, you can select Import from Learning Repository to browse and select learning resources for your quiz. Edit the quiz visibility using the toggle button. Then click Save and Close. Your quiz is now created. If a grade item was added, it will appear in your gradebook. Date and grade information will be visible based on quiz details. Now you know how to create a quiz using the content tool. Thank you for watching.